Hi everyone, this is Vijay from Lavin. As many of you know, CNC Centerless Grinders are used in multiple manufacturing processes such as automotive, aerospace, and medical industries. Today, I'll talk about the exceptional quality and performance of our CNC Centerless Grinders. Some of the standout features of our CNC Centerless Grinders include advanced control systems. Our grinders are equipped with state-of-the-art control systems that offer incredible precision and ease of operation. This ensures smooth and accurate grinding for every workpiece. Rigid machine structure. The robust and sturdy design of our machine ensures consistent performance and long-lasting durability, even under the most demanding of conditions. Customization capabilities. We understand that every business has unique needs. That's why we offer customized option to suit your specific requirements. Efficient automation. As the world is progressing towards complete automation, our centerless grinders can be easily integrated with automation systems to boost productivity and streamline your operations. Sustainable and eco-friendly operations. We are committed to sustainability, so our machines are designed to minimize energy consumption and waste production. Coming to the benefits of our CNC Centerless Grinders, our grinders ensure improved productivity, which means the high-speed performance and automation capabilities of our grinders significantly reduce production time, allowing you to increase output without compromising on quality. Enhanced precision. The advanced control system and rigid structure of our machines result in unmatched accuracy, providing you with consistently high-quality products. Reduced waste. By offering precise grinding, our machines help reduce material waste, saving you time and money in the long run. And another most important thing is easy maintenance. Our grinders are designed with user-friendly interface, making maintenance and troubleshooting very easy. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much.